Michael tapped out on me like a little bitch.
What's up, guys? So today we are at Zion National Park, right outside the Zion Lodge. We came amidst a winter storm warning. So there's a lot of closed stuff at the park, but we're going to get to see as much as we can see before they start closing things down. Couple first things we've noticed about the park.
I do like that they have limited parking. So they have this main road that comes in, and whereas like a lot of the other national parks, they let as many people come in and you could just park on the side of the road. They only allow as many vehicles in as there are parking spaces, so that it helps reduce a lot of impact on the surrounding areas, which I think is really awesome.
It is pretty cool. It's pretty well maintained by the park rangers as well. So once they go up certain roads, the park rangers direct you there. If there's not spaces, they'll close the road, wait till there's a space, and open it up for another car.
That also means, though, that if you come during like peak season, you have to get up super early if you want to get to the locations you want to get to.
And Zion is a pretty small park compared to Grand Canyon or some of the other national parks that we visit. So if this is on your bucket list, keep all of that in mind for when you do come out, when you do visit, and what time you get here. So other than that, we're about to hit up some trails, and we will see you guys.
What trail are we about to hit right now?
We're going to do the Emerald Pool Trail.
Emerald Pool Trail.
It's only a half mile long with a whopping 64 feet of elevation gain. So we are going to get out there and see what the Emerald Pool has to offer. And we'll see you guys on that trail. Hello guys, day 2 at Zion, very swift bridge. Today we are hiking Angel's Landing. It is 8 o'clock and it's already a full parking lot, so we had to park about a quarter mile away from where we wanted to. So if you are planning on hiking Angel's Landing and not dying on the bridge before you even get on the trail, get here at about 6 o'clock in the morning so you can get it to yourself. Otherwise, we'll see you guys at the top. In truest Zion fashion, the Angel's Landing, along with most of the other trails, are pretty well maintained here. They make it easy for handicap accessibility because all their trails are pretty much paved. They're marked pretty well. They're roped off so people don't ruin the vegetation along the sides of the trails. Pretty good trails here. There is a chain that you follow up Angel's Landing. You can hold on to it so you don't fall.
Guys, here I am up on Angel's Landing. This shit is crazy. Michael tapped out on me like a little bitch, so I'm doing it by myself. It's getting pretty fucking real. Holy shit. It's just a sheer drop on either side. It's getting pretty fucking scary. They say I'm about halfway on. Holy shit. This is intense. A little bit more to go. At least I hope, because I'm over it. Got a little bit of a break spot here. It's super icy. Terrifying. I'm on my last little stretch here of Angel's Landing. At least that's what everybody says. So, see you at the top. This is the last push to the summit. Whew. Meanwhile, there's Michael. What a turd. What a turd. This is the peak of Angel's Landing here. Alright, goes whoop whoop down one side, whoop whoop down the other. No hands. Woohoo! Alright, here we are. Official summit of Angel's Landing. There's all these cute little chipmunks up here. Trying to steal snacks. This was a super gnarly hike. It was really sketchy. It's late December, so there's a lot of ice, snow on the trail. but I did it anyways, Michael. Super awesome, super sketchy. Loved it. Probably won't do it again. This was super awesome. I guess I'm gonna head back down. It is snowy up here. It is icy. There's a cliff on this side. There's a cliff on this side. And this is like the widest section of trail. Totally terrifying at this point in time. Not really, actually. This is since it's the widest section. But I'll try to get some footage of the skinnier sections. No guarantees. My hands will probably be 4 points of contact at all points in time. All right, see you out there. All right, here we are for our first descent down. Here's the chain I gotta make my way to. There's no chain up here, so gotta go real slow because, you know, we're on the edge of a cliff. You slip, you did. Here we go. Making my way to that first chain. The descent continues. No chains on this section. Whoop whoop. Great views out here, but man alive. Straight down. The whole trail is just on this cliff like this. You have this chain. Whew. It's crazy. Here's my second set of really intense downhill with the chain here. It gets very steep. It's very icy. And if you can see there, you're just on the cliffside the whole time. So one wrong move, and you're out of here. Another sketchy section goes around a corner and you have no chain. It's very icy. And before you grab your other chain. So, wish me luck. Alright, here it is. Next section of chain goes down, down, down. Woo-hoo-hoo. Seriously, this is, I'm on my butt right now. And we keep going. No chain. Ooh. There's our next chain right over here coming up. Alright, I'll see you guys over there. Into no chain section, straight sandstone stairs here. One at a time, very slowly, very slowly. And here we go. Out into this nice open area here. straight drops on either side, no chains. And getting closer to the end here. Whew, it's a long trek. Here we go. Here we go. Making my way back up this. Oh, I lost my chain. Whew. Whew. All right, here we go. Coming up. And pretty sure this is where I left Michael, and looks like he left me. So to go find Michael. Where's Michael? Hey everybody.
Hello.
Just got finished with the Angel's Landing Trail. Michael, how'd you feel about it?
I pooped my pants. Couldn't do it. I wimped out. No shame in my game.
No shame in Michael's game. Michael made me walk up this horrendous lead-up trail to the actual Angel's Landing Trail. Very steep, paved. I was hating my life, and damn it, I was hiking that Angel's Landing, and I did it. It was really sketchy, but also at the same time, I'm really glad I did it. Will I do it again? Questionable.
I'll do it again.
Yeah, right. Whatever. All right. We'll see you guys at our next destination.